giving succulent. Do you or someone you know struggle with anxiety, depression, or any other mental health disorders? Do you have IBS, constipation, or any other digestive disorders? Do you have MS, osteoporosis, or any other skeletal system disorders? If so, today's juice is going to be just for you. But first, a haul of our ingredients, shall we? Today we are back in the green juice family. We have spinach, we have mint, so fragrant. We have green apple, we have lime, and ginger. This blend combines spinach, green apple, mint, lime, and ginger. Spinach supports healthy bowel movements. Green apple acts as a prebiotic, feeding the beneficial bacteria in the gut and supporting the balance in the microbiome. Mint is known for its calming effects on the digestive system. It can help relax the muscles of your GI tract, which may reduce bloating or discomfort. Lime supports stomach acid production, which is essential for properly breaking down food and absorbing nutrients. And ginger, a powerhouse. It helps stimulate digestion, reduce nausea, and support intestinal movement and calm inflammation. Together, this juice supports digestion, reduces bloating, nourishes gut bacteria, and helps your system move the way it's supposed to. This one is a punch your gut will thank you for. Let's taste test. Okay. All right. The green apple gives a little tart on the inner part of the jaw right here, okay? It's giving succulent. It's very good, okay? It's good. Let's talk about it. It really is good. It really is good. Let me say this. I only make juices I will like, okay? I don't drink juice just because of the health benefits. I want it to taste good. So the health benefits are a bonus to tasting good over here, okay? So we're not making nasty juice just for the sake of drinking juice. We're actually gonna make them taste like something, okay? The goal here in our little corner of the internet here is to make healthy food desirable. You can't do that whenever it doesn't taste good. Whenever it's not appealing to the senses, it's doing nothing for us. So over here, I always try to make food appealing. All right, so as far as taste and palatability, I would definitely give this juice a 3 out of 5. It's not delicious / crave-worthy, but it is drinkable. I don't really make anything that's hard to drink, perhaps. It's not gonna be like on your sweeter side, if you will. It's not gonna be like a fruit punch type of flavor. It's definitely got those greens in there. It's got those tart flavors in there with the lime and with that green apple. So you can taste the tartness. Really, it gets caught in the jaw right here for real. You can taste the tartness, but it's not nasty, okay? You can definitely taste the leafy greens. I may have overdone it on the spinach a little bit. So all the recipes are always listed in the description box. You can feel free to go check that out. And if you did not know, I do offer a free produce shopping guide that helps you shop in season in the description box as well. Absolutely free to you as my thank you for being here. As far as ingredient simplicity, I would definitely give this drink a 3 out of 5 as well, because there is some moderate prep required. Now, maybe a little bit more so for me than for you. If you wanted to stick your whole apple in there, by all means. But because I'm making this actually for my farmer's market upcoming, I decided to, I core my apples, so there's a little bit more prep required. I also core my citrus just because I don't want that peel. I don't wash the peels of the citrus. So I don't want those out of that outer layer if I can help it. I don't want that outer layer in the juice. Also, when it comes to the spinach, if you want to wash your spinach, it does come pre-washed, but I always wash my spinach, especially when I'm serving it to someone else. And then the mint, the same thing. I cut up the mint and then kind of wash it in the sink. And so there is a little bit of prep required. Then the ginger, the same thing. It's not too many ingredients, it's 5 ingredients, but every last one of the ingredients requires something, okay? As far as health focus, this juice is very targeted or system specific, I would say. Most green juices are. There are a few, but this juice I would definitely say is more targeted or specific. And the top 3, it would help with all of them, but the top 3 that come to mind with this juice and ingredients are your nervous system, your skeletal system, and definitely your digestive system, okay? Those are gonna be the 3 main focuses. So if you have diverticulitis, if you have IBS, if you struggle with constipation, that's gonna be your digestive system, Crohn's disease, anything like that. If you have nervous system issues, that's gonna be mental health, anxiety, that's gonna be those hormone shifts, trying to rebalance those hormones, your endocrine system as well. That's gonna be your nervous system. And then when it comes to your musculoskeletal system, if you have osteoporosis or MS, or you know someone with those things, fibromyalgia as well, that's going to be your skeletal system. Fibromyalgia, I think, is muscular. But anyway, that's going to kind of be the target that you want to focus on. So those are going to be the top 3 that I recommend who would drink this juice. Outside of, if you just want to maintain overall wellness, you're more than welcome to this juice for sure. As far as texture and like drinkability, this juice is not pulpy, but you saw me strain it. I don't typically keep pulp in my juices. One, just because it does go down a lot smoother. And it just creates a better product for me to sell. But if you're just doing this for yourself and your family, you don't have all these extra gizmos and gadgets, you don't really need them. The extra fiber is not gonna hurt you, but spinach, leafy greens do produce a little bit more fiber. If you're not into the fiber, then you're gonna wanna strain it. Otherwise, if you don't care about the fiber, then don't worry about the fiber, because it's gonna be good for you anyway. But again, I always give the reference of like pulp in your orange juice, right? If you don't like pulp in your orange juice, you probably won't like pulp in your green juice, okay? And it's already hard enough to drink your greens and know that it's green, so why make it harder? That's my thought process. So just strain it a little bit, right? But it is drinkable. I always have like a smooth finish to my juices because I do strain it. Some people I know strain it 2 or 3 times, right? I just strain it the once, but I don't have any issues with it. I definitely have to say though, this juice is tart. So you can taste, it has lime in it and it has green apple. Green apple is on the more tart scale when it comes to the sweetness, and then lime of course is the sweetness. So those 2 paired together alone are bringing out the tartness in this juice. I don't taste the ginger, but again, I have this on ice and I think the ice really calms down the ginger flavor. I've also been told that my juices are too gingery, so I also calmed down the ginger in my juices just for the sake of the customers that I serve. So if you want more ginger, feel free to add. I love ginger in my juices. So to me, it's not enough ginger. I want to be able to taste it through the ice, okay? But because of I'm gonna be offering this one at the market next month, then I wanted to make sure to accommodate that. I just kind of shared this, but who is this juice for? This juice is for anybody with MS, osteoporosis. If you know anybody that has bone issues or struggling with like muscular issues, tightness of the joints, anything like that, that's gonna be who this juice is for. Also, if you have migraine headaches, loosely, this juice is gonna be able to help with migraine. Diverticular disease is gonna include diverticulitis. You're gonna want to get this juice in on a regular. If you have chronic constipation or IBS or Crohn's disease or any other digestive issues where you have inflammation, bloating of the stomach, your intestines don't kind of do the right thing the way that they were designed to do it, you have irritation in the belly, this juice is gonna help with that. Those leafy greens are really gonna be super powerful, as well as that ginger. It's gonna be really powerful to help you combat that, okay? All right, so this juice I would not put in the high sugar category, right? I would definitely put this on the diabetic friendly list for sure. It's also gonna be in your, I would not say that this is kid friendly, no, at all. No, you can definitely taste the leafy greens in this, ease them into it with other juices, but this is not gonna be your fruit punch flavors, your more sweeter juices for the kids. So save your money, use it just for yourself, okay? So on my channel here, you're gonna be able to find this juice. I have a playlist of just green juices. I have a playlist for cardiovascular. I have a playlist for digestive health. I have a playlist for skeletal health. Like pretty much all the body systems have their own playlist. So you can feel free to go check that out. And this juice is gonna be able to be found in those specific playlists. So feel free to go check that out and find other recipes in those playlists that you can use and that you can add to your juicing journey, okay? So I hope that this has been helpful for you. Thank you so very much for being here. You can always visit witnessthrufitness.com to get your supply of juices. I ship 2 days or less to anywhere in the country, and I would love to see you on the other side. Thank you so much for your support, and you guys will see me in my next video. Cheers!